Tomorrow I'm going to New York and I have a big decision to make. What gear should I bring? So good. This lychee oolong has like these very nice floral, almost sweet notes, and it's one of the best oolongs I ever had. All right, let's talk cameras. What cameras do I want to bring? I definitely have to bring my Osmo Pocket 3. This camera has been my ride or die for the past year or so, and I've been using it so much. It's just so awesome that this thing has like a little gimbal, so that really makes sure that your footage is not shaky. You have the option to shoot vertically or horizontally. You can even take photos with it, slow motion, and it also has this very convenient little tripod. So you can just prop it up somewhere and you're good to go. What I also love about it is that it's not so much in your face. So if you're shooting in public, people don't necessarily recognize it as a camera, and it's a bit more subtle. So for the days where you don't want to come with your whole entourage, this can be a very nice alternative. And if you go without the little tripod thing, it's even smaller. I think the only thing I don't like about it is the cover which it comes with. It does not really protect the lens as much as I would like to, because the little head tends to twist. So if you have it in your bag, it could twist and the glass could be scratched. It's super small, super light, so easy to carry, easy to get through the airport, and very much hassle-free, which is what we're going for. See, now I already twisted. It even came with like a wide lens, but I lost that like immediately after I bought it, so sad about that. Oh my God! So the second camera I could bring with me would be the Sony Alpha 7 III, which is what I'm shooting on right now. But I actually decided not to bring it. You remember the camera from my photo walk, and it's an awesome camera. I really love it. But it is also a bit heavy, especially with my lens. I mostly use my 24-70mm lens, and as much as I love it, I just don't want to have this feeling of carrying it around my neck or around my wrist the whole time while I'm walking around the city 20k steps a day, and it's just a bit much. And also I don't really want to worry about it getting broken, damaged, stolen, anything like that. It's a very precious camera for me, and I think if you know you go out for a dedicated photo walk or a filming session, it's awesome, but for vlogging or just being on vacation, it's maybe a little bit much, especially in a big city like New York. But I have another lightweight option, which are these analog cameras. I've been trying to get a little bit into analog film as well. I've been dabbling in it a little bit in the past years, and these are the same. I have two of them. This used to belong to my grandpa and my mom, and it's the Olympus Mju-1. So cute. It's a 35mm lens. It also has a very nice flash. There's no film in it right now, very much empty. I kind of like the sound. But what I love about this one is it's so lightweight. It fits in my pocket, it's easy to carry around, it has the nostalgic feel. And a bunch of you commented under the photo walk video that there is definitely an advantage to also have a limited amount of photos you can take, which I definitely agree with, because you're just more intentional with taking the photos. And New York is amazing for taking photos. We all know that with architecture and everything. So I'm very curious what I can do with these. I think I'm just gonna bring one, but it's nice to have two just in case one breaks. I do have to buy film though. It's always such a hassle to get your film checked at the airport. They're always so stressed. So for cameras we have this one and the Osmo Pocket. Very simple, very lightweight, very easy to carry around, and I think we can take some amazing photos with these. Next important thing, microphones. I have the DJI Mic 2 and I have 3 of them. There's nothing I can complain about. They have very good audio, they're very easy to carry around. It has this very nice travel pouch, it's very small, fits in your carry-on. The battery lasts very long, So I have had very positive experiences with that. Now let's talk tripods. Tripods are very essential equipment for every filmmaker or photographer. And the biggest tripod I currently have is the Benro one. It's a carbon tripod, which I currently have my Sony on. And I'm not gonna bring it. Too big, it takes up too much space in my luggage, and it just doesn't fit the trip this time. So the Benro is definitely gonna stay at home. Now my next tripod, I'm still debating whether or not I should bring it. This is my Neewer, I think it's the TP16. And this one I really like because it is actually very compact. This one can easily fit into, like, you know, if you have like a backpack, and you can still extend it. If you compare it to like I think they're called Manta tripods or something, they're also super small, but you cannot extend them like this. So as you can see, this one can get quite high. What's that? Maybe like 50-60 centimeters. And I've used it on my trip to China and had very great results with it. So I'm still debating whether or not I want to bring it, because we're also going to Boston and I have some ideas what I could shoot there potentially. So not yet decided, but great quality. Good purchase. So now a few miscellaneous things. I have my SD cards, of course, the very small ones, because the Osmo has a small one. A card reader. I like to bring my little USB-C adapter as well. A hard drive. I've ordered an SSD one. This one is an HDD, a very old one. Works fine, but it's a bit heavy and I'm always worried that it's gonna break. It has survived a bunch of flights with me, but you never know. So I've ordered an SSD, which should arrive before I leave. Fingers crossed. My newest gimmick is this lens pen. I did not know that they exist, but this one has a brush and some carbon something which you can use to get rid of smudges. And this one is so small and compact. I'm very excited for this. You always need headphones. These are the AirPods Max that I've been having for a couple years. They're great for a flight. Oh, they just connected. They have very good noise cancelling, and I can work, edit, or just have some quiet time because the airplane is very noisy. And I've been really loving this little tech bag that I have, so I can get all of my technical cable. It's like, oh my god! Oh, I just found the white lens. I thought I lost it. Woohoo! I found the white lens. Oh my god, this is amazing. I thought I lost it. This is normal. And this is the 0.75, little bit fisheye look lens. The things you find. Anyway, this bag here, where I keep my hard drives and my little things and lenses apparently. And this one just protects all of my gear during the flight or travel. So I think I'm still definitely bringing a decent amount of stuff with me, but just having the Osmo Pocket instead of the Sony is already a big difference for me. And always remember, this is not a work trip. This is still my vacation or my personal trip. I'm just not in the mood to bring heavy gear. I would also really like to upgrade at some point, having an in-between camera, something in between Osmo Pocket and the Sony Alpha 7 III that is a bit more compact with a more compact lens if I can. I'm so excited to capture amazing footage and moments and just explore New York because I've never been there before. So also definitely follow me along on Instagram because I'm gonna post some stuff on my stories. And now I have to finish up packing and get ready to board my flight, and expect some New York City videos coming very soon. And I will see you next week. Also really try this tea, it's amazing. Bye bye.